Minna no Nihongo Lesson 11 Part 2 Vocab. First, kite postage stamp. Goju en no kite o go mai kaimashita. I bought 5 postage stamp for 50 yen. Second, hagaki postcard. Tomodachi kara hagaki ga todokimashita. I received a postcard from my friend. Third, futo envelope. Tegami o futo ni irete kudasai. Please put the letter in the envelope. Fourth, gaikoku foreign country. Kono kaisha ni gaikoku no hito ga oidis. There are lot of foreign employees in this company. 5. Ryugaku se foreign student. John san wa ryugaku se this. John is a foreign exchange student. 6th, kurasu class. 4時から水泳のクラスがあります。My swimming class is from 4 o'clock. 8. 週間 span of weeks この本を1週間に返してください。Please return this book within 1 week. 9. か月 span of months 日本に3ヶ月留学します。I will study in Japan for 3 months. 10th, nen span of years 彼と会ったのは2年前です。It's been 2 years since I met him. 11. 全部で In total 全部で500円です。Your total amount is 5,000 yen. Grammar point 3. Quantifier time period ni kai verb. This expression indicates frequency. Example 1ヶ月に2回映画を見ます。I go to see a film about twice a month. Grammar point 4. Quantifier だけ Noun だけ Dake means only. It is added after quantifier or nouns to indicate that there is no more or nothing else. Example パワ電気に外国人社員が一人だけいます。There is only one foreign employee at Power Electric.